In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery hold down bracket on this Toyota Corolla, which is located right on top of the battery. This is held on with two 10mm fasteners, a bolt here, and a nut here on this J-hook. This is just a long stud basically with a hook on the bottom, and that's what holds it on. I'm going to start with removing this 10mm bolt off of the upper radiator support. A lot of times these break, so be careful. I know mine was good because I've taken it out before, but a lot of times these do break in here, so take it easy, work it back and forth, spray it with rust penetrant if needed. And now remove this 10mm nut. If you take it almost all the way out, now a lot of times this hook will come unhooked by itself as you do this, so you can just slide it off the bottom. But this is basically what it looks like, and it's very difficult to see, but there is a hook down there, so if you look with a flashlight, you should be able to see it. And this nut, I'm not going to take it all the way off because my hook came undone, so I can just slide the new bracket on. If your hook stays in there, just take the nut off, whatever you prefer. Now take your bracket, put the J-hook through, and just do your best to hook it on there. Oh, there we go. Fell right into place. Slide it over the battery and line it up with the bolt in the front. Start that one in as well. I like to coat these with anti-seize, the threads on them, because like I said, they often rust, but mine are already coated, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm holding this J-hook in place so it doesn't fall out again. Snug up that nut. Once you get this one close, don't fully tighten it yet. Tighten this one first because this needs to be pressed all the way down up against the radiator support here. Make it snug, and now you use this as your adjustment to clamp this battery down. However, you don't want to crush it, you just want to put minimal pressure on it. Basically, you want to be able to grab this and not move it around like this. That's it, that's all it takes. If you put too much pressure on, you will crack the casing of the battery, and that would be very dangerous. So there you have it, battery hold down replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.